If you've been seeing the term Lagos hairline everywhere and wondering what it is, today I'm breaking it all down for you. This trend is taking the wig world by storm, and for good reason. It's a game changer when it comes to achieving an ultra-natural look. So in this video, you'll learn exactly what the Lagos hairline is, how it differs from a regular lace wig, who it's best for, and whether it's worth the hype. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is the Lagos hairline? Unlike the standard lace wig that typically has a straight or slightly curved hairline, the Lagos hairline features a natural M-shaped design. This mimics the way real hair grows along the forehead, especially for those with a naturally lower or widow's peak hairline. It's designed to replicate the organic, slightly irregular shape of a real hairline, making the wig look much more realistic when installed correctly. Think about the hairline of someone who has never plucked or shaped their edges. It's not perfectly straight. That's the magic of the Lagos hairline. The name Lagos hairline comes from Lagos, Nigeria, a city known for its influence in the beauty and hair industry. Nigerian wig makers and hairstylists are famous for their advanced techniques in creating ultra-natural, flawless wigs. In recent years, Nigerian stylists have popularized this hairline style because it complements African facial structures beautifully. It embraces the natural fullness and slightly irregular pattern of real hair, rather than forcing a perfectly plucked look that sometimes appears too artificial. So, if you're seeing Lagos hairline everywhere, just know it's an African innovation making waves globally. One of the best things about the Lagos hairline is that it's not limited to full lace wigs. If you're skilled in customization, you can achieve this look on lace wigs, lace frontals, and even lace closures. However, the level of realism and the effort required can vary depending on the lace type. Now let's talk about the differences between a Lagos hairline and a standard lace wig. Lagos hairline features a naturally uneven M-shaped hairline, mimics the way real baby hairs and edges grow naturally, often requires less plucking because it's already designed to look realistic. Regular lace wig typically has a straight or slightly curved hairline, requires heavy plucking to make it look natural, can sometimes appear too perfect and artificial. If you've ever struggled with getting your lace wig to look real, the Lagos hairline solves that by doing most of the hard work for you. Do you want Lagos hairline without hassle of plucking? You will be happy to know we are now supply Lagos hairline ready-made wigs and frontals. No plucking needed, just install and slay. Save time and achieve a flawless look effortlessly. Tap the product tag on the video or check the description for our full collection. Now, is this hairline for everyone? Not necessarily. It works best for people with naturally low or widow's peak hairlines because it follows a similar growth pattern. Those who want a super realistic hairline without excessive plucking. If you don't like over-tweezing, this is a great option. Anyone looking for a wig that blends effortlessly with their edges. It makes installations easier, especially for glueless styles. However, if you have a very high forehead, the M shape might not align with your natural look, and you may prefer a more customized hairline. If you love learning about innovative hair and wig techniques, along with in-depth explainer videos that break down the latest trends, then this channel is for you. By subscribing, you'll always be the first to know about new wig secrets, lace techniques, and expert tips to take your hair game to the next level. So don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. How to style and maintain a Lagos hairline wig. If you want your Lagos hairline wig to last long and stay looking flawless, here are a few styling and maintenance tips. Use a lace tint spray or foundation. Match the lace to your skin tone for a more seamless blend. Avoid over-plucking. The Lagos hairline is already customized, so you don't need to overdo it. Use a good adhesive or wig glue. For a long-lasting install, try Got2b, Bold Hold, or Ebin lace spray. Melt the lace with a lace band. After applying your wig, use an elastic lace band to secure it for 10-15 minutes for a flawless finish. Use minimal baby hairs. The Lagos hairline is designed to look natural, so avoid excessive edge styling. Is it worth the hype? Is the Lagos hairline just another trend, or is it here to stay? Honestly, I think it's one of the best innovations in the wig industry. It brings the kind of realism that traditional lace wigs often struggle with, especially for those of us who don't have a naturally straight hairline. The only thing to consider is price. Lagos Hairline wigs can sometimes be slightly more expensive due to their detailed design. But if you value a wig that looks as natural as possible with minimal effort, I'd say it's definitely worth the investment. My queen, now that you know more about Lagos Hairline, what do you think? Would you try it, or do you still prefer a traditional lace wig hairline? Let me know in the comments. I promise to reply.